It should be noted that after a ceasefire is being observed in Gaza, the US government is planning to send Palestinians to neighboring countries so that Gaza can be cleaned out and rebuilt after Netanyahu's army brutally destroyed almost all its buildings. Onboard Air Force One Donald Trump has said on Saturday that he wants Egypt and Jordan to take in about 1.5 million Palestinians, adding that the move could be temporary or could be long-term. I don't know. Something has to happen, but it's literally a demolition site right now. Almost everything's demolished and people are dying there, so I'd rather get involved with some of the Arab nations and build housing in a different location where I think they could maybe live in peace for a change, Donald Trump said. However, Egypt's Ministry of Foreign Affairs said in a Sunday statement that his government rejects any forced displacement of Palestinians, reiterating Egypt's position against the displacement of Palestinians from their land through forced eviction. Such actions threaten stability, risk extending the conflict further in the region, and undermine opportunities for peace and coexistence, the statement continued. As for Jordan, its Minister of Foreign Affairs said, Jordan is committed to ensuring that Palestinians remain on their land. Our refusal of displacement is a steadfast position that will not change. Jordan is for Jordanians, and Palestine is for Palestinians. Do you know why these Arab countries are categorically refusing US's plan to host Palestinians? It is because this has already happened in the past, when Israel and its Western supporters forced hundreds of thousands of Palestinians to flee into neighboring Arab countries in the 1940s. These refugees have been hosted from that time until today, and nothing has been done by the international community to facilitate them return to their territory. Rather, since then their lands have been taken and occupied by Israeli settlers. This is why the population of Gaza, and all those who support their great cause, are categorically opposed to Donald Trump's plan, because they fear that if they go, they will never be allowed to return to Gaza. According to different analysts, Donald Trump's move to relocate Palestinians was not a slip of the tongue, but part of a much broader move than it seems, coordinated with Israel. It is therefore quite possible that this plan is a way to drive out the Palestinians in order to allow Israeli settlers to come in. What is your opinion? Do you think this plan to move the Zans is a good intention by Americans who want to help these people, or there is a hidden agenda? If they really want to rebuild Gaza, is there not a way to do it without relocating its residents? Please share your point of view in the comments. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.